breaking updates. There is suspense that continues over just who will be Mumbai's next mayor. Sources are telling CNN News 18 that the next mayor could well be a woman. Sources suggesting that the next mayor could be chosen from women's open category. Remember, the Devendra Fadnavis-led BJP and Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena were the front runners as far as the mayoral, BMC elections are concerned. They do have the numbers in the house, although a mayoral election will be held, and sometimes it can people can vote away from party lines as well. But there has been some suspense over exactly which party the mayor will come from. Will it be BJP or will it be Shiv Sena? One thing that is becoming clear, though, is that a woman could be selected. Mayuresh, my colleague, is joining us with more. Yes, Mayuresh, tell us. We'll connect with Mayuresh in just a bit. But what CNN News 18 is learning is that the next mayor could well be a woman from the women's open category. In fact, if you look at the BMC elections that were held recently, there were actually more female candidates than male candidates on its 277 wards. Suspense continues over who will be the next mayor, not just from which party, but also who would be interested in what is a very important position. Even though chairman of the standing committee, many argue, has more say and more sway, but the Mumbai mayor position is also one that attracts a lot of political weightage, which is why negotiations have been going on between the two alliance partners as well. Mayuresh is back with us. Yes, Mayuresh, tell us more of what you're learning.
Absolutely. The draw for mayor post had just happened for 29 corporations, and for Mumbai, now the mayor will be from open category, and that will be the women. But Shiv Sena UBT has taken the, basically they've taken the objection for this kind of process. They said that the rotational process should have been followed, which was followed for other 28 corporations. And according to the rotational process, the open category women should not be given a chance. The chance should have been given, or the reservation should have been given, is basically about the SC or OBC women from that particular category for the post of the mayor. But the state government is of the opinion that we have followed the procedure, and this particular draw was shown live on the TV, so there is no chance of a manipulation.
All right, Mayuresh, we'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining us. Time for a very short break. Stay with us. News and updates continue on CNN News 18 in just a bit.